integrate negative 4 plus x to the power of 5 over 3 with respect to x. So if we look at this power, it is not equals to negative 1, and we have linear functions. Means that we are going to use these rules. Ax plus b to the power of n. So how to integrate with respect to x is, we're going to copy down the function. The power will plus with 1, divide with plus with n plus 1, and don't forget to divide also with a. Alright, so for this question, what we're going to do is, so we're going to copy down the negative 4 plus x, and the power 5 over 3 will add with 1. We're going to get 8 over 3, and going to divide with 8 over 3, or you may write down as 3 over 8. And if we see here, our coefficient of a is 1. So 8 times 1 is 8, plus with c. So the answer is negative 3 times with 4 plus x to the power of 8 over 3 divided with 8 plus with c. Or you may write down like this if you want. Negative 3 over 8, 4 plus x to the power of 8 over 3 plus c.